Just imagine you working so hard on your pour and then something missing. What to do? Let me show that. The first one, you're working on some cool pour. You're using the 3 rings technique and everything looks perfect until you start spreading and then you see a lot of wrong colors. They just don't work. You're trying to add color, to work it out in a different ways, and it's all not working. Boring. What should I do? Oh, actually, what should you do? Let's put some more paint in the same cup and spice it up. Yay, baby, the red one looks so yummy. Now, let's see what we got. Spreading it up. Yeah, take your time. Oh, don't let that cool paint run away. Keep going. It feels like a jazz, isn't it? So cool. Now I'm loving this painting. Yay, much better. Second one. Imagine you're trying to do the dipping technique. That's usually very colorful, beautiful technique. You're just left to finish the front and we open up and it's actually not bad, but it could be even better. Let's pour on this some extra paint. You don't have a tools? No problem, use anything you have. Like I had just the top of the Christmassy decoration that worked perfectly. Look at that, I really have fun and play some more. Look at this. Now it's anything but boring. Actually, I'm loving it. So much more dynamic, very cool. And the last one, this again, my lovely dipping, but totally different colors. Let's try and see what I will come up this time. 1, 2, yes, it should be red and cool, right? That's what would you expect. And, how'd that come up? I mean, I can see some red, but it's not good enough for me. But I do know how to use the art technique. Let me play with this a little bit more. Look at this. Actually, the art technique, this is very cool technique on my own. I'm using this cool technique every time I need to paint something on top of dipping. Usually, I use it for the trees. Look at this. It's already getting better and better and way more dynamic. And look at that. Oh my. It's starting to be very cool and unexpected. And you know what? Now I'm digging it. I think it's really cool. And you're not really wasting a lot of free paint because I'm using whatever leftovers I have. How cool is that? Way better. So guys, this is a few ways how you can fix the pour which otherwise would go wrong. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can do more videos just for you. And check out my Instagram website and Etsy. Have a nice day!